Hi everybody, I thought I would pop in and give you a quick tutorial. I'm in the middle of making my latest project, and I have come to the point where I need to join two balls of wool together. So I thought I would show you what I was told and how I was taught to do what is known as the magic knot. Okay, so you will need a pair of scissors, and you will need the yarn that you are joining and the yarn that you have been using. Now this is a chunky yarn by Sirdar. It's called Click Chunky with Wool. It's a wool blend. Okay, so let me just put my scissors to the side for a second. So you take the yarn that you are joining with the yarn that you've already got, and you want to loop it around. So we'll go over and under, so you've created a loop around there, over and under. Now you want to again create a little knot. So you've got your loop around the yarn that you were working with, and you want to make a little knot. So you go over and under and through, just like that. Very, very simple knot. Most of us know how to do that. So then you pull it up and you tighten it. Then you take the yarn that you were using and do exactly the same over the new yarn, so that you go over with the loop, and then you create your little knot, go round and through like that. Can you see that? Yeah. And then we pull that nice and tight. Now this is where the magic happens. So you've got this massive loop now that you've created. And this is where the magic happens. You take the two ends and you pull them together and give them a really good tight tug. It's just, that one's a bit loose there. I'm just going to tighten that up. See, this slides at this point, so you can go back and forth with this at this point. So pull them together, make it nice and tight. Then you take your scissors and trim it right up to the knot, and the other side. Make sure you don't cut the wrong bit, right up to there. And this is amazing. You can give that a really hard tug. I'm really pulling that, as you can see, and it does not come undone. It is called a magic knot because once you knit or crochet that, you can barely see it. Okay, so that's the magic knot, and I'm going to get on with my project. Have a great day. See you soon. Happy crocheting.